All right, YouTubers. Back on this Panjaris rotary welding table. So I think we're ready for a startup. I plugged it in. I have not started it up yet, so hopefully we're not letting the smoke out of the wires or anything like that. This is where we're at. I think everything is back to where it should be if I did my job correctly. I still have to do a bit of cleanup, like I said before. Check the gearbox oil, put a cover on top of that thing. I'm gonna the function that didn't work last time was the table rotation, so we'll see if that works, and then maybe we'll tilt it just a little tiny bit. Hopefully all this shit doesn't go flying. Actually, you know, my luck, it'll just end up all over the friggin' floor here. So anyways, you'll get to laugh at me when that happens. Let's see if we turn it on and if it turns. Okay, well, no turning. Okay, so that still functions. All right, and the table still does not turn. Not with the foot pedal anyways. So that's forward and reverse. No turning. I'm going to try to change the potentiometer. And nothing happens there. I've got the foot pedal depressed the whole time. So, but at least the table tilt function, nothing has changed there. So far we haven't blown anything up. So I think it's time to do a little bit more troubleshooting now to see what's going on with the table turn function. So we'll see what the foot pedal connections end up with. If they got power, if the switching is happening properly, and then we'll maybe also just take this cover off again and see what's going on with the potentiometer in there. Yeah, so, well, I'm glad that I haven't blown anything up. Let me listen to that again. There's certainly some feedback in the radio when I turn this thing on. Kind of funny. Anyways, that's where we are. So we're to the back to a point anyways where the wires are not friggin' crumbling in our hands. And now we have some troubleshooting to do. Maybe we've got a circuit board in here that is causing us grief. Maybe, who knows, maybe we just blew a fuse. But it does look like, pardon me, it does look like something got warm in there at some point in its past. There was a couple of empty fuses laying in here, so hopefully that doesn't mean that we've got a board to do, which would really be a shame. Anyways, I'm just trying to look here already inside, and I think maybe we've got could it be something like that resistor in there? I think I did turn the power off, but I should probably be careful just to double check. But I should check that fuse, and looks like something arced over there at that resistor. So there is a bit of stuff to look at. So, anyways, I'll see if it's worth looping you guys in on the rest of it. Maybe it'll be an update video at some point. My hope is that I can sort this guy out. If I do, I'll sort of maybe do a quick update video and let you know where I leave off on it. All right, gentlemen and ladies, I suppose. Have yourself a nice day, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this weird content. Anyways, have a good one.